Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, so in this video, I want to talk about how a lot of people have been saying that the US dollar is going to collapse, gold's going to go through the roof, etc, 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 etc. Okay, and that's what I want to focus on this video here because so many people have been talking about the US dollar collapsing. Now, question mark, is that what's really happening right now, or is there something different that's going on right now? Because remember, it's I liken in the fact my earliest mentor once said to me, he said, John, I don't always know what to do, but I find out what everyone else is doing and I do the exact opposite, and I seem to be okay by doing that. Or he seems to be right by doing that. And it's so true, right? Like, if everyone thinks something, like when Donald Trump and the whole election was happening, everyone thought what? If Donald Trump is elected, the stock market's going to crash, right? So if everyone out there is talking about the US dollar collapse in 2019, then that's what people are looking for, right? But the thing is, like, we want to be, if you want to be on the opposite side and where most people are wrong, so on therefore let's actually look at what the actual markets are telling us. And if I bring up some trend lines through here, and I bring up this sort of level through here, as we can see, right, what is actually happening here technically wise on US dollar? Well, you can see here on the daily chart, right, we're getting a very nice squeezing up this trend line through here, bounce through here, bounced and bounced through here. So we're getting a lot of bounces. Let me delete that, and I'll delete that as well. Right, so you can see how we're getting a lot of nice bounces up through here, and as we're still squeezing up into this overall triangle pattern through here, let me delete this here. So we have this basically a lot of resistance around this $26 level, right? And we're squeezing up and squeezing up. So I'm telling you right now, everyone that is saying that the US dollar is going to collapse and that gold and silver is going to go through the roof, they may be right. But forget the silver and gold for a minute. Just focus on the US dollar. This US dollar is squeezing up into a triangle pattern right now. And if we start to break, especially if we start to break this $26 level, then we're likely to start to see a nice move. And if it does break up and we start to move back above that first level there, especially this 2650 level, that's that. What is that? Right. This 2650 level, if we start breaking above that, then I have a 29 target. This is the UUP, the US dollar index fund there. Yeah, the index fund. The thing is, you can see here the US dollar, right, squeezing up and squeezing up. So this is actually a very bullish pattern. And if we get a nice strong breakout where we are right now, and we start to get a nice strong breakout above where we are through here, we're likely to see some serious movement to the upside. So technically speaking right now, we're squeezing up, and this is what's known as an ascending triangle pattern. And if we break to the upside above 26, expect some big movement to the upside, and that may be putting pressure on silver and gold. Remember, be the contrarian. I like to use everyone as a contrarian indicator. Sometimes I'll do a survey on my YouTube channel. I say, what do you think the stock market's going to do right now? And if 70 or 80% say the stock market's going to crash, I'm going to go buy call options right there and then. Now, I'm just joking about that, but you know what I mean, right? It's like, and every time I've done that, if 70 to 80% of my audience say one way, I guarantee in the next few weeks, the market does the complete opposite. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.